Well guys, it's hard to have a more fitting day than the current weather where it's sunny but cloudy. You guys might have seen this post on Instagram up here. If you don't already follow me, then make sure you do follow me down below on Instagram. Now it's kind of a sad day, but also an exciting day for me personally. But I know it's gonna be a sad day for you guys and a sad day for me because this is probably gonna be the last time that we actually do a POV drive in the Jeep. If you saw that post, you see a sold sign. I'm not gonna reveal what I got yet, but I did buy something. So the Jeep is gonna be gone. That was a tough decision for me to make, but yeah, so I wanted to make a final POV drive, like a final kind of goodbye, show you guys what it looks like now from where it's come, and then yeah, we'll have another video coming this week returning it back to factory, showing you guys what it's gonna look like if it was factory once again. But I want to do a POV drive and just kind of talk about the car and the memories and kind of things that I've done to it and things that I've enjoyed about it and just kind of that stuff, and just kind of a final POV drive because I've done quite a few of those and they've got some decent views on the channel, so I know that you guys enjoyed them. So unfortunately, this Jeep Grand Cherokee's era is kind of coming to an end here on the channel. And I say unfortunately, but in a way, like I said, it's very exciting for me. I'm really looking forward to the future here on the channel and just in life with this new vehicle. Like I said, I'm not going to reveal it yet because that reveal will be coming next week, hopefully, if everything goes according to plan. If not, then maybe we'll make a video talking about how I got scammed. 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee Altitude will take its last ride today. So let's just go over the mods real quick, go walk around the vehicle, show you guys what it looks like at the at this point. Then we'll hop in and we'll take her for a spin with the GoPro on my head and just kind of talk. So let's just do it. Obviously we have our 22-inch Hellcat replica wheels, which we have here. I'll be doing a video removing all the stuff, and I'll be letting you guys know what's for sale and what's not. So if you guys are interested in buying anything and you're in the Rhode Island, Massachusetts, Connecticut, New Hampshire, kind of New England area, and you would be willing to come meet up and purchase some stuff, then definitely let me know in the comments down below what you guys are looking for. It'll probably be different stuff like wheels, exhaust, intake, that kind of stuff. So you can let me know down below, and yeah, we'll figure it out. It's super dirty right now. I haven't washed it. I'm probably not going to wash it before I get rid of it because it's not my problem at that point. But obviously the whole front is different. I was looking at some pictures of what it looked like when I first got it, and it is a completely different vehicle now, and it's just changed so much. And like, you've seen the progress build on the channel and just like what it's become to like what it is now. I mean, the first mod was probably this BJP lifestyle sticker when I had somewhere near 200 to 400 subscribers. Now we're coming up on the 11,000 subscriber mark, which is absolutely insane to think that in just a year we've done that here on the channel with the Jeep Grand Cherokee. And like I said, the future is super bright, and like I said, I'm taking this channel to the moon, so I hope you guys will ride on this little YouTube spaceship with me, because we got a lot. But in the back, over time, we slowly added more and more and more and more and more vinyl to kind of do that and tint it out. And it really changed the back of the car. This is the only badge that is still left on the vehicle. I'm gonna keep all the other badges kind of as a memory of like what got my channel here and like what's grown my channel and everything just kind of to this point now. We got the black mirrors that I plasti dipped in a video. We tried the covers, they didn't work out well. The red calipers, which was again one of the first few mods that I did here on the channel. Just a lot of different things that I've done here. Like the exhaust waited so long, and like it's so crazy to look back and think like all the videos and all the content that we've made. Like we tinted the windshield, we tinted the windows, so much. Like this Jeep just looks completely different than what it looks like when you first buy it stock. And I'm really proud and happy of what I've done with it and where it came. And I'm, like I said, I'm really excited for this new chapter. So let's just go ahead and hop in for this final POV drive, and I'll talk a little bit more about it then. All right, guys, the last ride in the Jeep, at least here on the channel, at least the last POV drive. We'll see what happens coming this week. But yeah, I was just recording the thumbnail actually, and a cop rolled up and like, you filming a show? And I was like, no, just fake crying to say goodbye to my Jeep. but yeah, that was a little bit funny. But yeah, guys, all the mods are coming off pretty much to return it. So I say to return it, but I mean to trade it in. Basically, I'm gonna just take everything that I need to take off of the Jeep. And there's the cop actually that stopped by. But yeah, so all the mods that are going to come off the Jeep are going to be for sale pretty much. I'll let you guys know exactly which ones I'm going to be selling and what prices and whatever. You guys can DM me on Instagram. That's probably the best way to go about that. Some stuff is shippable, like the throttle controller, stuff like that will be for sale and will be shippable. But other stuff like the exhaust, the wheels and tires, stuff like that obviously are not shippable, so you'll have to be local to me to come pick them up, because the shipping on those are going to just be way too expensive. You'll see that video though probably Friday, where I'm removing everything and letting you guys know exactly what's for sale. So if you are interested in anything that's on the vehicle, just let me know in the comment section down below, and I could see about removing it and selling it to you if it's something specific. I'll also have like factory stuff that I don't take off, like the push start button and whatever else for sale if you guys want that kind of stuff, any extra stuff that I have. Like I said, I will be keeping the Jeep logos and emblems from the car to kind of keep as like a memory of like the Jeep and what I built here with the channel and like how I got started. It's going to be kind of like a memory type of thing for me to keep, so those black emblems will be staying with me. I'll probably put them up on a wall or something eventually. But yeah guys, let's have a little bit of fun driving it here before we say goodbye to it here on the channel, and see if we can have a little bit of fun and make a little bit of noise with what we have with the V6 Grand Cherokee. Go ahead and pop it into sport mode, and then we can even use the paddle shifters here. I've noticed that a lot of back roads and stuff, you really can just keep it in like second and third when just driving normally. Have a little bit of fun, nice and safe. I mean, it's kind of difficult with the GoPro on my head. It is a little bit risky, I will say. I should probably move my seat up, huh? I like lay down a lot when I drive, so let me move that up. It sounds pretty good. I want to put the windows down, but it's gonna be so windy, I can already tell. So we'll have to do with the windows up, but it's been a great journey with the Jeep, and I really don't have any bad things to say about the Jeep Grand Cherokee. And like I said, I will be sad getting rid of it, but like I said, I need to move on to bigger and better things right now. And this one is gonna, you know, stay as a memory here on the channel with the first like 170 or so videos that I've made on this channel. Like I said, the content is only going to get better from here. Keep grinding and see what we can create with the new vehicle on the channel, which should be hopefully revealed next week once this one is all set and gone, hopefully, maybe. But we'll see what's going to happen. Obviously, nothing is set in stone as of yet, but I did get the sold sticker. Obviously, I did purchase the vehicle for the most part. It's just a little bit more kind of paperwork and stuff that has to be done, and trading in and whatnot. But yeah, it's gonna be, like I said, it's gonna be a bittersweet, a sad and a happy day for me getting rid of the Jeep, because it's treated me really well. Obviously, it's built what I have here on the channel. It's been super reliable to me. I know some people have some complaints of reliability and stuff, but I personally haven't had any reliability issues at all. And the car feels really, really good and solid and fun still to this day. And I think putting the iBox springs on it really lowered it. That's one thing that probably won't be for sale, just based on the fact that they're fairly cheap anyway. They're like $250, $300, and they kind of take a little bit of a beating and some wear and tear, so it's not really worth me to sell them. And also, just to remove them, I don't want to do it myself, so I'd have to pay someone. It's not worth the extra money. So the springs will probably just stay on, and everything else will come off. But yeah, let me know down in the comment section down below what you think the new vehicle is going to be. Is it a car? Is it a truck? Is it another SUV? Is it an SRT? What is it going to be? What are you guys thinking? And yeah, we'll see what we get on Friday, or when, I guess Monday, that video might go up. Yeah, probably Monday. This thing, one thing I will say, if you're on the fence and you're watching this video and you're on the fence about getting a Jeep Grand Cherokee, and you're on the fence about getting a V6 or like an Altitude or something, and you just want something that's fun and good for the family and not too crazy, not too expensive, and something that you can enjoy, the Altitude is definitely going to be a good option for you with the V6. It sounds good. There's a cop over there. Let's see if he's gonna... let's see if I go to jail today. Make sure we stop for the full 3 seconds this time. I never do that, but we're gonna do it because there's a cop there, and that would just be the funniest final drive video, huh, if I got pulled over. It would be funny, I think, as long as I didn't get a ticket. I feel like that's what I always say, that it'll be funny if I don't get a ticket, but if I do, then it's not very funny. I feel like for a V6, this thing's fairly torquey and fairly quick, has a little bit of get up and go, just enough to kind of really get where it needs to be and be fun and enjoyable. And like I said, once you put those paddle shifters on and you kind of understand how to work them, it's so much more fun to drive. Just being able to swap it between gears, and especially if you have an exhaust and an intake, it'll just drop it and just... And then you can just cruise in whatever gear you want to cruise in and then drop it whenever you need to. It's really enjoyable, and I personally have a lot of fun driving in manual mode. But you can pop it back into drive now that there's some traffic and I don't have to actually think about driving. But I'll catch up with you guys to film an outro once I get somewhere good, and we'll call this video a day. Like I said, it's gonna be a sad day, and it's gonna be bittersweet to transition from this, because I know a lot of you guys are gonna be upset, but hopefully a lot of you will stick with me and see the new content and see how much fun it's gonna be and how much fun I'm having, and kind of really enjoy the content with me. So I'll catch up with you guys in just a minute. Alright guys, so let's just go ahead and close this video out. Like I said guys, this is a very exciting but a very stressful and nerve-wracking thing for me with the channel. So getting rid of the Jeep is going to be a nerve-wracking, like I said, change for the channel, and hopefully you guys support me through it, and hopefully it does well, and hopefully I can continue to create fun content and do what I need to do here on the channel. So I'm not wearing any today, but make sure you do check out Shop Lifestyle, top link in the description, get yourself some lifestyle merch, and let me know in the comment section below what you guys think that we are going to be getting for the new vehicle on the channel. Don't forget to smash that like button down below to help the YouTube algorithm, help this video out to more people, and of course help the channel grow. If you're new here, make sure you do click the subscribe button down below right now to be notified when new videos go live. New videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 3 p.m. here on the channel, which is probably going to be changing towards the end of this month. Like I said, check out Shop Lifestyle, get yourself some lifestyle merch. Thanks for watching guys, peace! I feel like I am losing